In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the role of animals in our food systems is often underestimated. Beyond just providing meat, dairy, and eggs, animals contribute to the health and productivity of our agricultural ecosystems. From the smallest insects to the largest grazing mammals, each creature plays a unique and vital role. They are the unsung heroes of sustainable farming, silently working to enrich the soil, control pests, and pollinate crops. Their contributions are not merely beneficial, they are crucial for the long-term health and resilience of our food systems. Curious about how these creatures bolster our food supply and the environment? Let's explore the 7 crucial ways animals enhance our food systems. Our journey begins beneath our feet, in the very soil that sustains life. This thin layer of earth teems with a hidden world of organisms. Farmers have long understood the importance of livestock manure. It enriches the soil, improving its structure and water retention. Dung beetles and earthworms break down organic matter, releasing nutrients slowly. This reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, benefiting the environment. Integrating livestock with crops improves soil fertility and crop yields. Cattle hooves till the soil, incorporating organic matter. Embracing these methods creates sustainable food systems. The humble dung beetle plays a crucial role in this web of life. Animals maintain the foundation of our food system, healthy, fertile soil. As the sun rises over a patchwork of fields, a symphony of birdsong fills the air. These melodies are more than just a beautiful soundtrack. They are a testament to the crucial role birds play in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Farmers recognize the value of birds in controlling insect populations. Sparrows, swallows, and warblers consume vast quantities of insects, protecting crops. Their presence reduces the need for chemical pesticides, benefiting the environment and human health. Imagine a flock of starlings scanning the ground for grasshoppers and caterpillars. Their swift movements protect the farmer's harvest and preserve the ecosystem. This natural pest control promotes healthier crops and minimizes environmental impact. Birds are essential partners in our food system, tirelessly protecting crops and maintaining nature's balance. As spring unfolds, fields burst into bloom, a riot of colors and scents. Bees with their fuzzy bodies buzz from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen. But the world of pollinators is far more diverse than just bees. Butterflies flit through meadows, transferring pollen as they go. Moths take on the night shift, pollinating flowers under the moonlight. Even bats contribute, especially in tropical regions. 75% of the world's crops depend on pollination. This includes fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Protecting pollinator habitats ensures the future of our food supply. Across the globe, farmers have long understood the importance of working in harmony with nature's rhythms. Crop rotation, a time-tested practice, exemplifies this symbiotic relationship, and animals, as we shall see, are integral to its success. Imagine a landscape where fields are not static monocultures, but rather dynamic patches of different crops rotated in a carefully orchestrated sequence. This is the essence of crop rotation, a practice that has sustained agriculture for centuries. At the heart of this system lies the understanding that different crops have different impacts on the soil. Some, like corn, are heavy feeders, depleting the soil of essential nutrients. Others, like legumes, have the remarkable ability to fix nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil with this vital nutrient. By alternating between these different crops, farmers can replenish the soil, break disease cycles, and reduce pest pressure. But animals, particularly grazing livestock, add another layer of complexity and benefit to this intricate dance. Imagine a field of corn, its tall stalks swaying gently in the breeze. After harvest, the field is not left bare, but is instead transformed into a lush pasture where cattle graze contentedly on the remaining stubble. Their hooves gently till the soil, incorporating organic matter and improving soil structure. This integration of animals into crop rotation systems brings numerous benefits. By diversifying the crops grown and integrating animals into the rotation, farmers can create a more balanced and sustainable agricultural system, one that works with, rather than against, nature's rhythms. In a world grappling with the challenges of feeding a growing population, the role of animals in ensuring food security is more critical than ever. While the debate over plant-based versus animal-based diets continues, it is crucial to recognize the vital role livestock plays in providing nourishment to billions of people globally. For many communities, particularly in developing countries, livestock is not just a source of food but a lifeline, a safety net against poverty and hunger. Animals provide essential protein, vitamins, and minerals that are often scarce in plant-based diets. Their milk, meat, and eggs are essential sources of nutrition, particularly for children, pregnant women, and those with limited access to diverse food sources. The Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, estimates that animal products account for approximately 20% of the global caloric intake. In many parts of the world, livestock serves as a form of living capital, a valuable asset that can be sold or traded to generate income or acquire other essential goods and services. Ensuring the health and well-being of livestock is therefore crucial for maintaining food security, particularly in regions vulnerable to drought, famine, or political instability. Investing in veterinary care, animal husbandry practices, and access to nutritious feed can have a significant impact on the livelihoods of millions of people. The sale of milk, cheese, or meat can make the difference between a family thriving and struggling to survive. The bond between humans and animals extends far beyond the realm of sustenance. For centuries, animals, particularly livestock, have held deep cultural and economic significance, shaping traditions, livelihoods, and social structures in communities around the world. In many cultures, animals are not merely commodities but are woven into the very fabric of society, revered in rituals, celebrated in festivals, and cherished as companions. Their presence enriches lives, providing companionship, purpose, and a sense of connection to the land and its rhythms. Imagine a traditional nomadic tribe, their lives intrinsically intertwined with the movements of their herds. These animals are not just a source of food and income, but are companions, status symbols, and integral members of the community. In agricultural societies, livestock often represents a family's wealth and security. A farmer's herd is a testament to their hard work, their legacy passed down through generations. The economic significance of livestock extends far beyond the individual farmer or herder. In many developing countries, livestock production is a major economic driver, providing employment opportunities, generating income, and supporting rural livelihoods. As the world grapples with the urgent need to address climate change, the role of animals in building more resilient and sustainable agricultural systems is becoming increasingly apparent. While livestock production does contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, it is crucial to recognize that animals can also be part of the solution, playing a vital role in mitigating climate change and adapting to its impacts. One promising approach is agroforestry, a land management system that integrates trees and shrubs into crop and pasture land. This holistic approach mimics natural ecosystems, creating a more diverse and resilient landscape. Trees provide shade for livestock, reducing heat stress, while their deep roots improve water infiltration and prevent soil erosion. Livestock, in turn, contribute manure, a valuable fertilizer, and help control vegetation, creating a harmonious balance between trees and grasses. The World Resources Institute emphasizes the importance of integrating animals into sustainable farming practices to mitigate climate change effects while supporting food production. Their studies have shown that well-managed grazing systems can sequester carbon in the soil, reducing atmospheric greenhouse gas concentrations. By incorporating a variety of crops and livestock, farmers can create more resilient systems that are better equipped to cope with extreme weather events, pests, and diseases. This integrated approach not only enhances biodiversity, but also improves soil health, water management, and the overall resilience of the farm. By embracing these sustainable practices, we can harness the potential of animals to create more resilient, productive, and climate-friendly food systems. A call to action, embracing the potential of animals in sustainable food systems. As we've seen, animals are integral to enhancing our food systems in diverse and impactful ways. From improving soil health to providing economic stability, their roles extend far beyond the dinner plate. They are essential partners in creating a more sustainable and equitable food future. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that the way we currently raise and consume animals is often unsustainable. Intensive farming practices can lead to environmental degradation, animal welfare concerns, and health risks. Therefore, the key lies in adopting sustainable and ethical practices that prioritize both animal welfare and environmental health. How can we harness these benefits while promoting sustainable practices? Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into innovative strategies for integrating animals into sustainable agriculture. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the Global Fact Trends channel to join the conversation about sustainable food systems.